This week there is some love in the air in Art Club with Miss Burford. This week we're going to make a 3D air balloon which is made out of hearts in celebration for Valentine's Day. For this project you will need a black sheet of card, a white sheet of paper, a selection of different coloured cards, a pencil, a Pritt stick, some scissors and a black pen. The only prep you need for this lesson is to use a guillotine for cutting your black sheet of card and making it into a square, and then do the same with your white sheet of paper, only make this a centimetre smaller on each side than your black piece of card. You need one black square and one white square per child. Start with, give each child these two square sheets and then just use Pritt stick to glue the white paper onto the black card. Try and centralise it as best as you can so you have a little black border around your white sheet of paper. And allow each child to choose 5 different coloured sheets of card, and with each sheet of card fold it over, like you can see on the screen, about a quarter of the way up the page, and then you're going to line it up with your white square of paper to work out where your heart shape needs to go. So you're going to draw half a heart on this folded sheet of card. Then cut it out with the card still folded in half so you get a complete heart when you cut it out. The size of heart that you're looking for, that I measured up earlier on my page, is I wanted a heart that would fill up about 2/3 of my white sheet of paper. Now you can use this card as a template on the other 4 colours of card. Draw around these in the corner of each sheet rather than right in the middle so that you can reuse any offcuts of card. When you've drawn around all of these hearts, you can then cut these out too. Now you should have 5 lovely coloured hearts that are the same size, and you're now going to fold each one in half down the centre so they're symmetrical. Make sure that crease is really bold and strong. Line your hearts up back to back so you have half a heart touching the back of another half a heart, so they should all join together. And it doesn't matter what order you put them in, you can choose what colour order you want them to go in. I just knew that I wanted a grey on one end and grey on the other end. I didn't worry about the colours in the middle. And then you can glue these back to back as you can see here. Then go ahead and add some glue to the very last back panel and go back to the front panel and add some glue so that you can attach the heart to the paper and it will spread out like a fan or a rainbow. We can add some details now in this white space below and create a basket using our pencil first, so that if we make any mistakes we can rub it out. You want 2 lines to attach your basket to the air balloon, and your basket can be a rectangle, a square, and have a little sausage along the top so it has a rim, and then add some hatching to add texture to your basket. Then make your basket stand out by going over your lines in a black pen. Ta-da! All finished. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art lessons like this every Monday and other art related content every now and then. See you next week for more art with Miss Burford.